Before I signed up to the mental fitness program, I was lost. I was worried about my future, my health, and I couldn't see a way through. How could I even carry on working? I was so tired. This program has been so powerful for me. Now I feel like the world is my oyster. Anything is possible, and my mindset allows me to see that and to look forward to the future and even create it for myself and for my family. One of the things I've been struggling with is sticking with something. And I know what I should be doing, but I didn't have the resolve, the belief, or the resilience to keep something going past a week or two. The 6-week program included following an app, weekly catch-ups with Wick, and a small group of amazing women. The program, delving into my mental fitness, has been so very valuable for me. It has been definitely my missing piece, allowing me to tap into who I am and the me that I had forgotten. But I'm lighter, not in weight, not yet, but in myself. I find myself randomly smiling at things. Now, nothing really in particular or for no particular reason. I'm just much happier. I'm who I used to be, but older and hopefully wiser. Even the people around me, the people I work with, the people I live with, have all noticed a difference in me. So if you're thinking about joining the program and you're not too sure, but some of what I've said kind of sings to you, as the video that Wick played sang to me, then do it. What have you got to lose is what I think. I want to thank Wick, and I want to thank the group of amazing women who are inspirational and who've helped me change my life, become who I was meant to be and who I will be going forward. Thank you.